Today we're talking all about a feature that we feel is one of the most underutilized on Instagram and is actually a hidden tool for you to be making way more money through using the platform. So today we're covering how to use the Instagram close friends story feature as well as how to monetize off of it. What's going on? It's Ben here from Flick, and today we're talking all about the close friends feature on Instagram. This feature was released back in 2018 for those moments where you hesitate posting something to your story because you don't want all of your followers to see it, but you may be willing to post it to some of your friends, and this gives you that option and that choice. Or for a more personal example, maybe you're going out that night and you don't want your family to see it, but you're cool with all of your friends seeing it. You can set that up using close friends. It's a way to keep your content a little more private without having to block or unfollow any users that are currently following you. And today we're gonna show you how to use this feature as well as how creators and brands can monetize by being creative and using this feature. So what is Instagram close friends? Instagram's close friend feature allows you to upload content on your stories that can only be seen by a specific audience. You get to pick who goes on your close friends list, and you can directly share stories to this group as you upload. And the next logical question is, how do you use Instagram close friends? And don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's how to create a close friends list on Instagram. When you're on your profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right-hand corner and click settings. Select account and then select close friends. You will see a list of all of the profiles that are following you, and you can select to add or remove these people from your close friends list. You can also search for profiles by username if you don't see who you're looking for. This list can be edited whenever you like if you want to add or remove anyone in the future. So at this point, you've now made your close friends list, but how do you actually start posting out content to this exclusive group of people? Here's exactly how you do that. Once you have created and saved your close friends list, you can start sharing stories to it. Upload a story as you normally would, and when you go to publish it, you will see an option in the story editor to add this to your close friends or your personal story. Select close friends, and this story will then be exclusively uploaded to this group. So it's a pretty straightforward feature that can make using stories on Instagram a lot more fun and personal to use for your close friends, as the name would appropriately suggest, but it is also a monetization tool like we teased earlier, and here are some of the ways that we have seen people get very creative and monetize off of this feature. And how we've seen a ton of creators leverage this feature is by actually offering out a sort of subscription service for access to this close friends list where they share private and exclusive content. And you can really get creative here as to what you're sharing with this subscription based on what makes the most sense for your audience and the kind of content you share regularly. To set up this recurring subscription to give people access to this close friends list, you can use a platform like So Close, which allows you to set up a subscription service for your fans and followers to subscribe to. And this subscription can be what grants them access to your close friends list. So as long as they're subscribed, you then add them to this list for this exclusive content that they want access to. You can also search on your own for your favorite celebrities and influencers and see how they're leveraging this tool, and also potentially sign up for their subscription service that they provide through their close friends list. You can really get very creative here in terms of how you best leverage this to provide the most value and keep people around with this exclusive content. But a tool like So Close makes charging for it very easy, so you can focus on providing value and exclusive content through that list. And this is also a really powerful tool for nurturing people to be more loyal customers or to sell them to your more higher ticket offer. So be thoughtful about how much you're charging for this close friends access, because that will dictate how many people come into your world. And the more people you get on this list, it's the more people that you can make feel special, make feel appreciated, and provide value to deepen that connection with your followers, fans, and customers through this tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you're looking for more free Instagram advice to help you grow and thrive on the platform, be sure to join our free Facebook community that is linked in the description box down below. It's a very active and completely free community that is constantly giving you more assets and resources to grow on Instagram. So go ahead and join that. It's linked down below. You'll be very happy that you did, and I'll see you in there. So you're now ready to set up your close friends list and start posting out exclusive content to this very exclusive group of people that you have handpicked. You can now share out this content, whatever it is that you're feeling you want to share that's private. Do your thing. We don't judge, but you're now able to do it using this awesome tool. And if you're looking for even more creative ways to use your stories on Instagram, be sure to check out this video that we just linked in the card above that has 20 awesome Instagram story hacks to help take your story game to the next level. Keep crushing it on Instagram. I will see you same place, same time next week. We'll talk soon. Peace.